MPBL is back. Opening day ng preseason ng MPBL para sa defending champions na Abra Weavers. Sa pangunguna ng finals MVP Dave Ildefonso at ang debut game ni Drexila, Drex De Los Reyes, solid game agad. Nangalabaw agad sa ilalim ang 21 years old, 6'8 na rookie. Bagay na bagay ang galawan niya sa laruan ng MPBL. Hindi umaatras kahit sa mga veterano. Tara at panuodin ang full game highlights ng Abra laban sa Sarangani, mga ka-big time.
Salulok sa ilalim, although he misses point. Step back and kiss myself! Big time plays, big time plays! Raven Gonzalez, John Duba, and Dave Ildefonso sa panig naman ng Sarangani. Ivan, malakas itong starting na yun. New number, new jersey number for Mike.
Oo nga.
Gonzalez, that patented one-hander is good. At may
He's really earned it. I mean, the way that he performed last season,
Oy,
it was a tough one, but now it's a tough one as well.
Drex to.
Oo, parang,
Very massive.
yeah.
It's hard not to miss him. But this guy could be the same. Coach Emer Oreta with head of operations.
At the helm for this season.
2 for 2. Galing kay Chad.
Spread the floor, it really just allows your bigs to operate inside.
Gonzalez Mintes. First basket at least here in the preseason from Drex De Los Reyes.
Mukhang si Miguel ang natuwa doon. Pero natutuwa naman kami mga bedista na nakakatulong kahit pa paano para sa ating mga kaibigan.
Ngayon ni Drex De Los
Oh
Reyes.
yes.
4 early points.
He's moving like he's used to this. No? But syempre pagdating ng regular season, iba na yung physicality doon. And he's gonna get a solo side here against Chad. He's gonna be testing that defense once again.
Drex, kick out pass. They swing it to Wilkin Lee. Fires a free. It's good. Mike. The last second dishing it out. Wilkin Lee. Back-to-back freeze.
That's what confident, no? Yung kumpiyansa ba sa loob mo na we've done this in tougher situations, but Ivan says, not Sarangani.
Anim ang lamang. Dave, his first 3-point attempt.
Pointer niya ng off leg or on that left side of the floor actually helped seal that win. And if you go back to that game, as you see Ivan Ludovisi knock down a jumper with Quezon was willing to give up 3-point shot attempts by both Dave and Encho, but those couple of threes were used
Here for Abra. But, given that yung dalawang basket kanina ni Wilkin Lee as Danny Marilao nails a 2-time back-to-back champions.
Correct.
If ever.
Correct.
Danny Marilao. Aba,
Oh, wow,
pinapakitaan tayo Dalawang
Really?
tres. That stroke is looking good so far.
Oo. I feel he's always had that. Pero yung command kasi nung laro na kinakailangan is really more on the
And 11 left here in the first quarter. Patino, that's his shot. Lista mo na.
from last season. The way that he's played in the playoffs has really proven big, and the Mix Pascual.
Hindi ako pang police kung hindi pang poste. Big man, big future. Ken, Coach Mike.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Great self-awareness galing kay Drex De Los Reyes.
Pero tingin ko pwede rin police. See that good hook right there, pero
Physical, classic big man, good reads. We've seen that bits and pieces here already. He had that put the numbers. Nakita natin, especially during the start, how they gave up a lot of points. But once Coach Toto came in, naging
in social media that this guy Jay Utok has joined the Abra Weavers. I said, oh my goodness, they got a good one. And the good news is they did their stuff. It was a close 3-game series actually, if not for those triples. As we see another one from Encho Serrano, like what I said, he's
new faces, some of them coming from not from the UAP or NCAA leagues. Pwede silang magpakitang gilas dito. They have that golden opportunity here, but 19.
iba ang ngiti ng isang Encho Serrano sa larong ito. I mean, I'm sure he's happy that basketball is back, specifically MPBL. Encho Serrano that I'm sure the Weavers will want to see early.
Dave Ildefonso lets it fly. Hits another three.
With the heft and the power of the other bigs, but right now with a lot of 94 feet basketball being played, as you see King Destacamento right there
Nakalusot si King.
with very, hefty big men of the Abra Weavers inside the paint. Oh, wow.
Tino. Crafty move. Getting
Ricky naman ang tumutulong doon sa bench side.
Boy Alves in traffic. Lays it up and in.
A couple of quick one this season.
Shot from the outside does not work. Drex de los Reyes, offensive rebound. Umalog palabas yung putback pero nandun para linisin yung minti. Alfred Patino. This time can't connect on that jumper.
Of our executives on that scene.
Parang Christmas pa din eh.
Oo,
February na next gagawing nickname ni Richard Campos dito kay Drex de los Reyes as Wilkin Lee lays it up and in.
Grip on that rock, especially if it's that close to the paint.
Chadi. Isa galing sa free point.
Always believe in the shooting capabilities of lefties.
Ooh, Drex de los Reyes barrels through the lane for 2 more points.
Touches right there. Emergency pass, leaked it out over to Drex, and Drex, ganda ng pagkakamis basketball, very close to what he's been doing in his basketball career. You see, Encho right there with another 3. Ang ganda kasi ng Eunice natin eh. And I love that the basketball is back. It's Dave. That MVP form is back. And the Weavers are just relentless right now in the third.
I'm telling you, these guys parang di nagpay. Approaching the 4-minute mark of the third. Brian Laca, catch and shoot. Puts it in from down.
Oh, Drex.
Napalakas.
Yeah.
Napalakas lang.
Alam mo,
8 points
8,
and
right.
4 rebounds.
Right.
Hook shot galing kay Drex de los Reyes.
and
Los Reyes, hindi pilit yung mga galaw eh.
yeah.
Ayan, kagaya niyan, salo lang sa ilalim, although he misses point blank.
Baldo, and he pretty much has earned his spot here for the Weavers. See another 3 right there, this time from Brian Lacap, his second in the quarter.
5 seconds left here in the third. Crossover dribble. Turnaround jumper
Oh, man.
from Harvey Baldo.
I'd put that in the highlight if I... You know what? When that news came out, I remember that clearly. Check on some of our friends who hadn't gotten there yet. See a 3 attempt right there by King. And the first page that opened up was my Facebook showing that Maroon 4 guys moving to San Juan, and I said, oh my God, is this for real? You know, this is gonna be a different season altogether.
And I'm sure as Lars Sunga gets the end one play again, chance are the constants so far. King Destacamento flies in to lay it up for... he was actually the leading scorer for Sarangani before Jeff Viernes.
The good thing is, at least you see that Ivan Ludovisi is going to be very capable in leading his team, but who is going to take care of...
Pascual. This is a guy that I felt like medyo nagbe-break-in pa ulit, no? But for sure, a lot of big things coming here for Mix Pascual.
Oh, he's not in a rush actually to get into his groove. He's just trying to maybe feel the flow of what we've seen from the Weavers, losing nothing at all from what they've done and getting
Magandang barometer para sa kanila dahil yung
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!